and welcome to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download Microsoft OneNote. Let's get us started. Open your web browser and search for Microsoft OneNote. Once on the Microsoft OneNote website, sign into your account. Click on the download button. This will initiate the download process. Once the download is complete, you can install the OneNote application on your system. So that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.